Hey everyone. So I wanted to show you the new Microsoft Edge browser. And the reason I wanted to do that is because there's actually some really cool changes that have happened. And I thought you might like it too. So what you're seeing here is the Edge browser for my work profile. That's my little picture right there. Work 4. It says work 4 because someone didn't understand how many little work pictures she could, or work profiles she could make. So there's 4 of them. And then one of the other things I want to point out is it says search the Francis Group and the web. The Francis Group is the name of my firm. So I am in the Edge browser, and yet the name of my firm is right here. This would be like if you went into Google Chrome and it was like, hi, Ashley, we want to help you find all of your documents. And I'm going to click this here, and you're going to see, hi, I'm Bing. So this is how you get to Bing Chat, and a new chat comes up. And there's my profile right there. It doesn't look like the new, like you know how there's going to be a new new Bing Enterprise that is private. It doesn't look like that's been kicked in yet for my work account, so I don't know if I have to do something for that, but we have Bing Chat right here, so that's one thing we can do. And then if I click on my files, it comes up with the files that I just worked with that are currently sitting in my SharePoint document folders. And because all of my files live in my SharePoint document folders, but I have them synced to OneDrive, I can access them through my my folder, my my folder system. So this is going to come up with my most recent files. And I'm not going to click it right now because I don't know how to blur it out. And I actually don't know how to do that yet with my new editing software. So please just forgive me for that. Another thing I would point out is that these are the websites that I've been going to lately. And so they just show up right here. If you want to pin them, and I'm saying pin them, you can just click right there and pin to page. And then you don't have to keep bringing them up. You can just go to the Edge browser. They're all right here. And then the other cool thing that I have discovered is if you click on the waffle right there, all of your Microsoft 365 apps are sitting right there ready for you. Before, I would have to go to Office 365, renamed Microsoft 365, get into SharePoint, or have it bookmarked. But there it is. I don't have to do anything. I could just go to my Edge browser. And then I have not personalized these yet, but I could so that they're things that I think that I'm interested in. So you can, oh, Larry the Cable Guy died. Interesting. Okay, so obviously for work, I would want to change these out for things that are more relevant to me. But that is, that's an option. And you would just do that through personalization and click on your interests. And then the other thing I wanted to show you was that you have this sidebar here, which is incredibly powerful. I've made a video before about Bing Chat and the things that it can do, but it not only has this Bing Chat, Compose, and Insights here, has this toolbox that you can add that comes with a calculator, it has a unit converter, a translator, a dictionary, a world clock, and then you can add other tools, a typing test, which I feel like a lot of us are very interested in competing with each other. You can add games if you want to look like you're busy, but you're not. You can add your Microsoft 365. You can bring in your Outlook right here and then use it with uh, Bing Compose. Your Outlook's right there. This drop feature right here is not currently working for my work account, but for my personal account, I am able to drop files into this drop feature. And then what it does is it takes it wherever I want to open up the drop feature, like say on my iPad. So let's say I create a video on my computer, my laptop. I only have social media in certain places, so I want to drop it into the drop folder, sync it with my iPad, and then have the files there as well. And then one reason I am now creating this video, because I've already created this video more than once, is there is a new feature that you can add on. This OneNote feed is very cool. And I'm going to make an entirely different video about that. That's all about OneNote. But this designer, you can add Microsoft Designer right there. And if you haven't used Microsoft Designer before, it is pretty incredible. It uses the same technology that Bing Chat uses to create images, so DALL-E. And you can create these images and then use them in your marketing, or even it even has like LinkedIn, Instagram, newsletter banners. It lets you change the size, it lets you make stock photos for your website or for what sending out mailers. And it's pretty incredible. It's wonderful to have right here, especially since if I make an image in Bing right now, I have the option to send it over to Designer. But to have Designer right here without having to separately open up the Microsoft Designer website is really handy. So I wanted to just kind of take you on this little tour and show you the cool things in the Edge browser. And I think you'll find that your search experience is quite a bit different too. And ironically enough, I'm kind of lost search experience, but I would definitely suggest that you check it out for yourself. And I don't know, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Okay, thanks guys. Bye bye.